What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today, again, is another tutorial for beginners. If you're an expert, you already know how to do this, I guarantee it. So today we want to learn to use adjustment layers inside of Premiere Pro and also why we use adjustment layers inside of Premiere Pro. It's super easy, super friendly, and it speeds up your workflow. So, normally, let's say this is my little clip. It's like a lost at sea type thing, and I wanted to color grade all of this footage, right? I would go in, Lumetri color, I would fix all the color, one clip by one clip, and I got a nice grade across everything that I'm really happy with. But I want to do a new grade across the entire thing to turn every clip black and white or add a new filter to everything all at once. We can do this through something called adjustment layers. So inside your project bin, so let's go to Window and Project, Batch 5 Footage. Here we are. This is all my little stock footage clips I have here. What I want to do is add a new item. Click here and do adjustment layer. From here, it picks the right width, frame rate. It's all the base of my footage. Click OK. Let's drag it on top. It's our new top layer and drag it to the full length of the timeline. Now, from here, if I grab the adjustment layer, I go to Lumetri color panel, scroll down, go to saturation and desaturate this. You see the clip is desaturated, but now every single clip is desaturated. This affects everything under the footage. Let's say I don't want to desaturate the clip. I just want to increase the contrast. I want to darken the footage a little bit. And also I want to go to Window and Effect Controls or Effects, type in Film. It's a plugin that I like to use, and just add it on top of here. It now has affected every piece of footage inside of here. It's a different color effect. We can see here in Effect Controls that this is an effect that is across everything, right? And from here, we want to do something else. We want to also add a new adjustment layer. A new adjustment layer. Click OK. Let's call this one Crop. Drag it on top. Drag it. Go to Window, Effects, Crop. Drag it onto the adjustment layer. Let's do top, 5%. Bottom, 5%. That's weird how they're not the same. I'm not even going to question it right now. I'll fix it later. But as you can see, by adding the crop effect to the adjustment layer, it crops the entire piece. And yeah, looks great. And as you can see through using adjustment layers, I hope this helps you understand why you would use them in certain situations just by doing a visual example. Otherwise, that's it. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget to scan the QR code on screen. Peace.